So we're going to do some highlights, okay? So I don't want to go right into white. We don't need to go right into the white. So I have this lovely like champagne creamy color. I'll show you guys how that works. Look how beautiful and bright that looks. So I'm just going to show you a little bit about how to brighten up your bee with this color. I'm not going to do a lot. So I'm going to decide that parts of it are going to be lighter. So you already have your mid-tone down because of the tone paper. So I'm just going to do this really quick. Maybe you guys can see. So also keep in mind that the bee's wing has folds in it. So I am going to emphasize a little bit of that with the champagne color. So maybe we could decide if that has a fold in it. Oh, look at that. And that has a little fold. And that has a little fold. So I'm just going to do this. And I'm just going to show you this gradation. So I'm going to press down really hard and then trail off. So I want you guys to practice that. I want you guys to practice on any kind of paper how to do a transition like that. And it's all about just practicing. I didn't learn how to do this overnight. This is something that took years of practice on all sorts of things. I want you guys to do this with any color. So it's slow. You could do it slower. You could do it quicker. I'll do a little slower for you guys. But I'm going to use that. Using the gradation technique, I just sort of very lightly go over the wing with the champagne color. I'm doing the same thing with the other one. And then I'm going to use my pencil, and it's a little dull, just fine. And I'm going to pick out some parts to emphasize. And now it looks like there's a fold in it, which is super cool. And a little bit like this. Yeah, and I want to kind of emphasize that this part's a little lighter, but I really want to maintain the integrity of the paper underneath because I think the paper is a really big part and we don't want to just cover it up. So also using my pencil, I'm going to sharpen it a little bit. We're going to highlight certain things. So basically we are going to use white, but not right now. I'm just showing you guys where we're going to be emphasizing certain parts.